Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best adhesive tile glue for showers, the Red Devil 0497 Tile Paste. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use adhesive for your tile projects, especially in wet environments like bathrooms or kitchens, this product is definitely worth your attention. The Red Devil 0497 Tile Paste comes in a convenient 5.5 fluid-ounce squeeze tube, designed for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this adhesive is its perfect paste consistency, which makes application smooth and manageable. Unlike some adhesives that require troweling or mixing, this product is ready to use straight from the tube, saving you time and effort. This tile glue is formulated as an acrylic and water-based adhesive, making it safe to use indoors with minimal odor. It offers excellent adhesion to a variety of surfaces including ceramic, plastic, metal, vinyl, rubber, and linoleum. This versatility means you can use it for many types of tiles and materials around your home. It's ideal not just for installing new tiles but also for repairing mosaic, plastic, and ceramic tiles, making it a great multi-purpose solution. One of the key advantages of Red Devil 0497 is its water resistance. Since it is designed to bond tiles in kitchen and bathroom environments, it forms a waterproof and mildew-proof seal, ensuring your tiled surfaces remain intact and clean over time. The adhesive cures to a durable, long-lasting bond that can withstand moisture without breaking down, which is essential for shower installations. Cleanup is a breeze with this product. Because it's water-based, any excess adhesive can be cleaned up easily with just water before it dries, which reduces mess and waste during your project. The tube design also helps prevent waste by allowing you to control the amount of adhesive applied, minimizing spills and leftover product. In terms of packaging, the tube is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and store. It weighs just over 7 ounces and measures about 2 by 2 by 11 inches, so it fits comfortably in any toolbox or home workshop drawer. The Red Devil brand, established in 1872, is known for its quality and dependability in tools and adhesives, and this tile paste lives up to that reputation. It is proudly made in the USA, ensuring strict quality control and reliability you can trust. If you're tackling a tiling project and need a strong, versatile adhesive that's designed specifically for showers and wet areas, the Red Devil 0497 Tile Paste is a smart choice. Its excellent adhesion, ease of application, water resistance, and cleanup convenience make it a standout in the category of tile adhesives. That wraps up our review of the Red Devil 0497 Tile Paste, the best adhesive tile glue for showers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique.